Today we will learn 30 family members' name in English. Let's start. Father. Father. Meaning, a father is a male parent. Meaning, a father is a male parent. Sentence, my father goes to work every day. Sentence, my father goes to work every day. Mother. Mother. Meaning, a mother is a female parent. Meaning, a mother is a female parent. Sentence, my mother cooks delicious food. Sentence, my mother cooks delicious food. Son. Son. Meaning, a son is a male child. Meaning, a son is a male child. Sentence, their son is very kind. Sentence, their son is very kind. Daughter. Daughter. Meaning, a daughter is a female child. Meaning, a daughter is a female child. Sentence, their daughter is studying. Sentence, their daughter is studying. Brother. Brother. Meaning, a brother is a male sibling. Meaning, a brother is a male sibling. Sentence, my brother plays cricket. Sentence, my brother plays cricket. Sister. Sister. Meaning, a sister is a female sibling. Meaning, a sister is a female sibling. Sentence, my sister is reading a book. Sentence, my sister is reading a book. Grandfather. Grandfather. Meaning, a grandfather is the father of your parent. Meaning, a grandfather is the father of your parent. Sentence, my grandfather tells stories. Sentence, my grandfather tells stories. Grandmother. Grandmother. Meaning, a grandmother is the mother of your parent. Meaning, a grandmother is the mother of your parent. Sentence, my grandmother loves gardening. Sentence, my grandmother loves gardening. Grandson. Grandson. Meaning, a grandson is the son of your son or daughter. Meaning, a grandson is the son of your son or daughter. Sentence, his grandson is very smart. Sentence, his grandson is very smart. Granddaughter. Granddaughter. Meaning, a granddaughter is the daughter of your son or daughter. Meaning, a granddaughter is the daughter of your son or daughter. Sentence, her granddaughter is playing. Sentence, her granddaughter is playing. Uncle. Uncle. Meaning, an uncle is your parent's brother. Meaning, an uncle is your parent's brother. Sentence, my uncle lives in Mumbai. Sentence, my uncle lives in Mumbai. Aunt. Aunt. Meaning, an aunt is your parent's sister. Meaning, an aunt is your parent's sister. Sentence, my aunt is a teacher. Sentence, my aunt is a teacher. Nephew. Nephew. Meaning, a nephew is the son of your brother or sister. Meaning, a nephew is the son of your brother or sister. Sentence, my nephew is 5 years old. Sentence, my nephew is 5 years old. Niece. Niece. Meaning, a niece is the daughter of your brother or sister. Meaning, a niece is the daughter of your brother or sister. Sentence, my niece likes drawing. Sentence, my niece likes drawing. Cousin. Cousin. Meaning, a cousin is the child of your uncle or aunt. Meaning, a cousin is the child of your uncle or aunt. Sentence, I play with my cousin. Sentence, I play with my cousin. Husband. Husband. Meaning, a husband is a married man. Meaning, a husband is a married man. Sentence, her husband is a doctor. Sentence, her husband is a doctor. Wife. Wife. Meaning, a wife is a married woman. Meaning, a wife is a married woman. Sentence, his wife is very kind. Sentence, his wife is very kind. Father-in-law. Father-in-law. Meaning, your spouse's father. Meaning, your spouse's father. Sentence, my father-in-law is friendly. Sentence, my father-in-law is friendly. Mother-in-law. Mother-in-law. Meaning, your spouse's mother. Meaning, your spouse's mother. Sentence, my mother-in-law is caring. Sentence, my mother-in-law is caring. Brother-in-law. Brother-in-law. Meaning, your spouse's or sibling's brother. Meaning, your spouse's or sibling's brother. Sentence, my brother-in-law is helpful. Sentence, my brother-in-law is helpful. Sister-in-law. Sister-in-law. Meaning, your spouse's or sibling's sister. Meaning, your spouse's or sibling's sister. Sentence, my sister-in-law is a nurse. Sentence, my sister-in-law is a nurse. Stepfather. Stepfather. Meaning, the man who marries your mother. Meaning, the man who marries your mother. Sentence, my stepfather is very supportive. Sentence, my stepfather is very supportive. Stepmother. Stepmother. Meaning, the woman who marries your father. Meaning, the woman who marries your father. Sentence, my stepmother is kind. Sentence, my stepmother is kind. Stepson. Stepson. Meaning, the son of your husband or wife from another marriage. Meaning, the son of your husband or wife from another marriage. Sentence, his stepson is in school. Sentence, his stepson is in school. Stepdaughter. Stepdaughter. Meaning, the daughter of your husband or wife from another marriage. Meaning, the daughter of your husband or wife from another marriage. Sentence, her stepdaughter loves music. Sentence, her stepdaughter loves music. Twin brother. Twin brother. Meaning, a brother born at the same time as another child. Meaning, a brother born at the same time as another child. Sentence, he has a twin brother. Sentence, he has a twin brother. Twin sister. Twin sister. Meaning, a sister born at the same time as another child. Meaning, a sister born at the same time as another child. Sentence, she has a twin sister. Sentence, she has a twin sister. Parents. Parents. Meaning, father and mother together. Meaning, father and mother together. Sentence, my parents love me. Sentence, my parents love me. Children. Children. Meaning, sons and daughters. Meaning, sons and daughters. Sentence, the children are playing. Sentence, the children are playing. Family. Family. Meaning, a group of people related to each other. Meaning, a group of people related to each other. Sentence, I love my family. Sentence, I love my family.